guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, but we're finally gonna get started on the Mustang. We're gonna go ahead and load it up on the trailer and then put it on the frame rack. All right, so we pulled. All right, so we got the Mustang back over here. Now we're gonna winch it back off onto the frame. All right, so we got the Mustang on the rack. Now it's time to put the clamps on. All right, so the Mustang is set up on the clamps. It's all nice and secure. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull the front wheels off and start pulling and try removing this subframe because it's pretty badly smashed up in there. So we got the frame post over here. Now we're gonna probably just grab it right here and pull it down. So we got everything pulled out. Now we're just gonna go ahead and remove the old subframe along with both sides of the suspensions. We're gonna just drop everything down. As you can see, this side is pretty bad. All right, so we got all the calipers and all the lines that we needed to get off, and now I put a support beam over the motor. It's gonna hold the motor by the mounts. And we're gonna go ahead and lower the subframe down. All right, guys, so I got the subframe off. Man, it was a tough job. As you can see, it's really smashed up. All the mounting points are just ripped off. It was jammed up in there. I actually had to cut it in half just to get it off. But it doesn't look too bad under here. Didn't really mess anything up. Let's go over to the other side. Can't really see, but there's a little bit of damage right here. We're gonna have to straighten that out, but looks good. All right, so I got everything pulled out. I got the rails all straightened out. I was not recording at the time because I forgot to hit the button, but I got the new subframe, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. So I finally got the subframe on. It was a tough task, but got it on. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the fenders off and the hood and test fit all the new parts.
as I hop away and I'm gonna pan around the car.
We got everything on the Mustang. All the gaps are perfect, as you can see. We got the bumper on, everything's lining up. Today's video, if you like what you're seeing, hit that subscribe button, drop a like. Thanks for watching.